In this video we will see that how we can install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation. So let me open my VMware Workstation, and also VMware Workstation installation is very straightforward. Simply get your setup of VMware Workstation and simply install it and put the key there, and installation is done. The most important thing in VMware Workstation is go to run, click ncpa.cpl, and you will be able to see now there are two adapters which are my VMware adapters, VMnet 8 and VMnet 1. So this VMnet 8 is is a important adapter because my virtual machine will get internet from this VMnet 8. Okay, if I go to my settings, virtual network editor, then as you can see, here is your VMnet 8, okay, which is doing network address translation so that my virtual machine will get internet, and here is the subnet from where my virtual machine will get the IP. So without any delay, let us download Kali Linux. So Kali Linux download, you will go on this page. So there are installer images, and this is for your virtual machine. So you can go for your virtual machine or you can go for installer images, which is basically you can say ISO there. So I will go here. So there are different, you can say, hypervisors here. For example, VMware VirtualBox, Hyper-V, QEMU, VMware Weekly, VirtualBox, Hyper-V Weekly, and QEMU Weekly. So these are some you can say platform on which we can install Kali Linux. Let me select the VMware. So as soon as I have started VMware, you can see my download is installed. And if you go to ARM, so there are ARM as well. It means if you have Raspberry, the small CPU, then you can use that. And they have mobile version as well. You can install in your mobile and you can do hacking from anywhere. And we have cloud version as well. For example, AWS Cloud, DigitalOcean, Linode, Microsoft Azure. So these are cloud images basically. And here if you see, the image is downloading, that is called .7z image, and we have to extract it 3.6 GB. And if you go to containers, there are containers as well. Docker is there, LCX and LSD is there. So these are some images, and also these are your live images. Okay, so you can simply install in your USB and it will work very easily. And this is your WSL images, that is called Windows Subsystem for Linux. What it will do basically, it will create a Linux environment into your Windows PC. But the thing is that you should have at least Windows 11 Professional, and also the Hyper-V should be enabled. If you don't have Windows 11 Professional and if you don't have Hyper-V enabled, then you can't use it. For example, I have Windows Home. Let me show you. If I do WinVer, then I'm able to see my Windows version. So my Windows version is Home. So I cannot use this WSL. At least we should go on Windows 11 Professional. So it will create a Linux environment in your machine. But right now I'm going with VMware. It will take time. I will pause the video. I will come back when the download is done. So my image has been downloaded. So we need to unzip it. So let me extract all. So again extraction is happening and it is big size. Again I'm pausing the video. I will come back once the extraction is done. So as we can see, we have extracted the file. So now we don't need this file. We don't require this file basically. So we can delete it, the 7z file. And if we go here in this folder, then there are many files. We are interested in VMX. Once double click on VMX, open with VMware Workstation. So as soon as you open it, you will be able to see your your Kali Linux. Now you have your Kali Linux, you need to simply power it on. So it is powering on. So as you can see, we need not to create any virtual machine, so it's directly power on, and we will simply click on. Now it has starting booting, so till it is booting I will just pause the video. So my Kali Linux has been booted. Now here the username is Kali and the password is Kali. So here's my Kali Linux. Now there are many things here. You can see we have a terminal here. This is my terminal. So this is my shell where we can run the command. For example, if you want to see the IP, you can run ifconfig. You will be able to see IP. So as you can see, it has got the IP 192.168.80.129. Now this IP, from where we are getting this IP? If we go here and virtual network editor is VMnet 8, and this VMnet 8 is bound to my physical adapter, and we are getting IP from this range. So this is the range from where we are getting the IP. Also, if you want to ping google.com, you can ping from here. So I'm getting the internet, and if we go to on upper corner, there will be many tools. For example, this is for reconnaissance for Bluetooth host information, and this is for initial access, execution, persistence, privilege acceleration, define evasion. So a lot more options are there. So we will discuss each and every option in my coming videos.